What's up, guys? I hope you've all been well. Today we are packing up because we're officially going out on our first overland adventure of 2021. Now we're going on an easy family-friendly trip, so there's not a whole lot of technical trails by any means, but it is just going to be a great time to get out there and get together with some people we haven't seen in a long time and go explore the backwoods of Maine. This trip is going to be hosted by Northeast Overland, and this is their Wicked Waterfalls tour. So we're going to go and see some pretty cool waterfalls, have some nice hikes, and hopefully some great camping sites. So right now, we're packing up the Tacoma, and we're going to get ready to head out in the next hour or so. You ready for some camping? Yeah? You excited for this weekend?
So just meat?
Yep.
No cheese?
No cheese, no nothing. Just meat.
Having a taco bowl. Sorry.
No,
It's
no.
bound to have something not work out.
If I had thought that they were corn, I would have. Corn is anything. Corn is. I even figured that when Mikey tried to make his own.
What's going on, guys? We just got to camp. We're at Mount Blue State Park in Maine, and we pretty much all set up. Tent was super easy, as you've seen. There's a fair amount of people here already. We just got done eating dinner. We had some tacos, even though it's a Friday. So now I think we're just waiting for everybody to eat, and we're gonna get around the campfire, hang out. We'll do a quick driver's meeting, I'm sure, at some point, and see what this weekend's gonna be about. So looking like we have decent weather, nice and cool. Be a little chilly at night, but nothing we can't handle, so should be a good time all around. So one little life hack we learned about dishes is water is cumbersome to carry and heavy. So what we did is we took a pesticide sprayer, clearly marked with H2O. We can pressurize this 2 gallons of water, and we can rinse our dishes off with a selectable nozzle, so we have a fog, a straight, and a fan pattern. And we can save water, get our dishes done a lot quicker, and make life easy. Only real way to clean cast iron is just to boil everything off, wipe it out, and re-season it.
This is the life. Life.
It's like copper oxide.
Good morning, guys. Today is officially the first full day, but it's the first morning, second day, whatever. We got here last night, had a good night camping, had some good food. Weather was great. We had perfect sleeping conditions. It's nice and cool this morning. So we are just packing up. We're gonna head out to our first stops here in about 20-25 minutes. We're letting the kids burn off some morning energy. We're gonna go check out the lake, the playground, while the rest of the guys are packing up their stuff from last night. So today should be a good fun day, full of lots of hikes and some waterfalls, and some easy back road driving. maybe with a trail or two mixed in, but it'll be a good time.
Welcome everyone. I told everyone there'd be a dry weekend. Well, you know, it's gonna change a little bit, but that we can worry about that one later. We have half a dozen, well, 4 or 5 waterfalls today. We have, hopefully we'll check with Mike. We hopefully have a nice scenic, 360 degree vista. We're gonna be on Quail Hill.
Yeah.
That just opened up. Most
First stop, a little scenic overlook of Webb Lake. We essentially stayed way over there at that beach. Couple down mountains right there. What's up, guys? We are at our first stop of the day. We're at Smalls Falls and Chandler Stream, I believe. We're gonna walk in, it's a real quick hike. Plenty of parking, picnic tables here, so if you ever needed to stop here and have some lunch or take a break, there's a restroom and everything. But we're gonna go head in, check out the falls, and spend about 20 minutes here. Alright guys, so this is the base of Smalls Falls and Chandler Stream. As you can see where this one dumps in, it's a pretty decent sized pool. You can come soak your feet in it, swim. It's a little, rocks are quite slippery. Water's low right now, but I know it's hard to see because of my lens, but if you look up there, there's the top of the second waterfall. And then above that one, there's another waterfall, and it goes for a ways back. And it's just a bunch of those cascading waterfalls that lead into this pool. And there's a couple pools. There's a pool on the other side, and then there's a pool on the other side of that you could, if you wanted to climb up into it and swim, you could. But these cliffs are just absolutely stunning. What's up, guys? It's been a minute, but we have landed at stop 2. So we bypassed another stop that we were going to do because the low water levels, the stream wasn't going to be all that impressive. So we just hit some good trails, just did a little bit of back road exploring, and now we're on top of Quail Hill, one mountain that gives you 365 degrees of views of the beautiful backcountry of Maine. So enjoy the view. What's up, guys? We're on top of Quail Hill. It says we're in Dallas, Maine, but we're basically just outside Rangeley, over by Aquasic. This is a great mountain to drive up. It's very easy, any car can drive up it, but it gives you 365 degrees of epic views. And we're just up here chilling, enjoying the nice views and the cool weather. What's going on, guys? We've had a long day of just driving, changing plans for camping and stuff because the weather this weekend is supposed to turn kind of south tomorrow. We are looking at, oh, focus. We're looking at some rain tomorrow. We're looking at some rain tomorrow with some cooler temperatures. So we skipped tonight's camping site for tomorrow's, which is on a freaking river. How awesome is this? We got the truck over there on the side. We got the Mid-Atlantic Off-Roads hard-shell tent set up. Haven't named it yet, but night one was great. We'll do some walk-around stuff with that in a little bit. We got Mark from, I think it's 802 Rough J, right next to us, and we are scattered through the river. Of course, we're all off to the side, so we're not in the river or anything like that. We're not disturbing the environment, but yeah, we're all kind of scattered through, and this river doesn't get much higher than this, so it's safe to be here. We're not going to float away in the middle of the night. So we're going to set up, get some dinner going, get a campfire going, enjoy a beer, and have another good night. And then a little bit of hiking tomorrow, and I think one of the more pretty waterfalls is actually open, so we didn't go to a couple today because the water levels are so low that they're just not really flowing, and you really can't call them a waterfall. So we did some extra just driving around, and we stopped at some sites, stuff I've seen a million times, so I didn't really vlog that, but yeah, can't ask for a much better camping site than this on a little stream. It's gonna be great tonight. Everybody's around it, so should be a good time. And what are we doing for dinner tonight?
Steak and cheese.